How does Neurographica work, and can I use it to address my core wounds? Today I want to explain the 4 bodies of human consciousness, which is the core heart of how Neurographica works, and also tell you how you can pick your topic. So everything we experience on this journey on Earth shapes our perception of how the world is, and especially of how we are. We look into the world through the glasses of our experiences. They determine how we think and which emotions we face. And all of our experiences are stored in our body's memories, in our nervous system. At the same time, we are also directly connected to everything what is, to universal love and wisdom. Neurographica is designed to get in touch with all those 4 aspects of our human experience and bring harmony to them. Please watch my video on the 4 bodies of human consciousness, linked in the bio. Everything that is in you now, everything what you feel, think, and how your body is behaving, and also crucially how you are connected to the essence of love in you or not, is what you will draw. You pick your topic according to what you experience now. It can be that you feel small, unworth, not able to act. It can be that you experience pain in your body, that you feel unsafe on this earth. Whatever drawing you choose, your topic connects you to your present state, and you go from where you are. Layer by layer, line by line, you draw yourself closer to your core wounds. Very powerful are the releases to begin with, and to create more and more calm in you. Ask yourself, what is it that is on the surface for you now? I put my playlist of all my Neurographica tutorials in the description for you to check out. You can take any of those videos in which I guide you through the whole drawing process. It is important to also finish your drawings till the end to get your results, and it's also important to know that the deeper your core wounds are, the more drawings you will create, working yourself towards it and strengthen yourself on the way to face them. So be kind to yourself, start from where you are now. And if you explicitly want to face your core wounds, please get yourself professional guidance. Guidance in drawing Neurographica with an experienced instructor and specialist, or guidance from any professional you are working with. Don't face your core wounds alone. I'm happy to answer your questions in the comments, so please ask whatever is unclear to you, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. See you soon and all the best on your way to draw yourself free. You are able. You can do it. Layer by layer, line by line.